Today, we're going to help you master the art of video editing using just your iPhone. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification to stay updated with our latest iPhone tutorial and tips. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choose the right video editing app. First, you can choose the right video editing app for your needs. iMovie is a great option for beginners, while more advanced users might prefer apps like Adobe Premiere Rush, LumaFusion, or InShot. You can download your chosen app from the App Store and familiarize yourself with this feature and interface. Step 2. Import and trim clips. Now it's time to import your video clip into your editing app. On my case, I'm going to use iMovie. Most apps allow you to import directly from your camera roll or from your iPhone gallery or even from cloud storage services like iCloud or Dropbox. Once your clips are imported, you can start by trimming them to the desired length. Look for the trim tool in your editing app and remove any unwanted footage from the beginning or end of each clip. Step 3. Arrange and combine clip. Next, arrange and combine your video clip to create a smooth and coherent storyline. In your editing app's timeline, you can drag and drop clips to rearrange them. You also can use transition such as fade or dissolve to smoothly connect different clips and maintain the flow of your video. Step 4. Add title and text. To make your video more engaging, you can add title and text. Most of editing apps offer a variety of title template and text style to choose from. Place text element at the beginning or end of your video to introduce the content or provide credits. You can also add caption or annotation throughout your video to provide additional information or context. Step 5. Enhance your video with effects and filter. To give your video a polished and professional look, you can apply effects and filter. Many editing apps offer built-in color correction tool as well as visual effects like slow motion, reverse, or stabilization. You can experiment with different filters to enhance the mood or atmosphere of your video. Step 6. Include background music and sound effect. Adding background music and sound effect can greatly enhance your video impact. Most editing apps include a library of royalty-free music and sound effect. Or you can import your own audio file. Make sure to adjust audio level so that the background music doesn't overpower your video main audio content. Step 7. Export and share your video. Once you're happy with your edit video, it's time to export and share it. You can choose the appropriate export setting for your project, such as resolution and frame rate. Most editing apps offer options for direct sharing to social media platforms or saving your video to your camera roll. Remember to double-check your video final quality before sharing it with the world. And there you have it. With these steps and some practice, you will be a master of iPhone video editing in no time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tutorial and tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!